Alright, so this is day 2. As you can see, the transmission has been removed. You on the EOS, you cannot manually with the VATCOM tell it that it's a manual. You cannot change it, but there is a way around that. You have to make your own starter circuit. If you're capable of doing that, then you can continue with this swap. I have the transmission on its way here. You're gonna need, I got it off of a Mark IV 2.8. It will fit. Also got a 2.8 clutch, which will also fit, and flywheel. So because I've been able to find all the pieces, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to get this car to start, I continue with the swap. The two coolant hoses that were here on the DSG, they're now tied together. There is a check valve. This is it right here. There is a check valve that only lets the coolant flow one way, so you're going to have to keep that check valve there and just connect the hose together. My rear main seal is leaking, so I'm waiting for that to come in tomorrow so I can replace that. But so far, it's been pretty simple and straightforward. Now I'll show you how to get to the shifter. Alright, it's too dark under the car, so I'm going to do it from up here. These two wires, let's see if I can show them. Back here, these are for the O2 sensors. You have to disconnect them, pull them off, and the O2 wires are secured in 3 spots back here behind the motor. And then it's 6 bolts to unbolt it from the exhaust manifold, the exhaust pipe off of the exhaust manifold. And then let's see if we can show it here. There's going to be 2 support rails, one here, it's 4 bolts, and another one here, which is another 4 bolts. You have to drop those, and then you gotta loosen the exhaust clamp back there, and you should be, and the 2 13mm over there, and you should be able to shimmy the exhaust, the front half of the exhaust system out and out, forward and out, or back and out, no, forward and out. Mine has a leak, so I will be welding new flex pipes onto my exhaust and replacing both of them. And once you have this out, the shroud comes off pretty easily. These you just twist them off, and they actually stay onto the shroud, which is nice. They don't do that on the Mark IIIs. And then once you have this off, you go to the inside of the car. And in front of the shifter, there's going to be 2 10mm that hold a bracket in place. You remove that bracket, and then there'll be 4 10mm. You're going to need a deep well socket, and then the shifter will drop, and then you take it out that way. The new one, and then the new one comes in with the 4 bolts, and then you reinstall the bracket. That's where I'm at right now. I just installed the new shifter for the transmission. And then now it's just waiting for the transmission to come in. It should be here in a couple days, and that will be the next thing.